Welcome back to my channel, Gorgeous. Want to take aesthetic notes? Well, here's a guide on how to take aesthetic notes. Stationery Essential S. First off, we need a notebook. The best notebooks are from campus. They are cute, simplistic, and are of good quality. The size depends. You can use A5 or B5, Pentel Energel. Use the 0.5 tips because they are anti-smudge and really smooth. A cute pen from Temu. These pens are really cute and really smooth as well. Correction tape. These are really handy when you make mistakes because they just put a layer on your mistakes, but don't be delusional. They won't fix your past traumas. Mechanical pencil. These are good if you want to draw because trust me, they will make your diagrams 10 times better. Highlighters. Use mild liners because the colors are really cute and they give an elegant look to your notebook. But keep in mind these do smudge just like your ex. Sticky notes. Use them for quick and important points. And they also make your notes look organized. How to actually take notes. If you struggle to keep up with your teacher in class, don't worry, I got you. Take messy notes in class if the teacher is going too fast. Go home, sit with a cup of coffee and rewrite those notes. And as this might be too time-taking, you might as well use the extra 20 minutes instead of not understanding what you wrote. If your teacher teaches on slides, ask them if they are going to post the slides because then the slides will always be available. So you can write them at home. You don't have to copy everything the teacher writes on the board, or the slides focus on their words because those words are more important as they word their words better. Side notes. Use different fonts for headings so you can differentiate them from other ones. Use different color highlighters for different subjects. Like, dedicate a highlighter to a subject just like you dedicated your life to your ex. Keep refills because you never know when you can run out. Well, that's all on how to write aesthetic notes. And if you liked this guide or found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put those post notifications on so you never miss a glow-up secret. Until then, make sure to be healthy and serve face. Bye.